This evening, 12 News is honoring those who serve. A Valley veteran who has battled PTSD has also been battling the heat, living in a home with a bad air conditioning unit. 12 News journalist Brenda Lipinski was there today when he got a much-needed helping hand.
Today is a blessing, and it's about being able to receive a blessing.
Shanen Dunagan is a Marine Corps veteran who embodies Semper Fi.
You know, he dedicates everything he does for veterans and their families, and he does a lot with PTSD and suicide, and we literally 24-hour hotline, like we are on the front line every day, and he's always giving, and our AC has always been the biggest problem.
Injured in an explosion in Afghanistan, Shanen, with his wife by his side, now runs Survivors of War Ministries, but they themselves have been struggling.
So for me, it's been very frustrating just to wanting to provide for my family and give them, the comfort of home. So it's been very frustrating to not be able to do that and to, on one aspect be taken advantage of to where we think it's fixed and it's not, and it's just Band-Aid after Band-Aid after Band-Aid.
The past 4 years in the Dunnigan family have been rough due to a faulty air conditioner.
It's been a solid 87 degrees in our house almost every day. My kids have to be on one side of the house. We have to be on the other side because our living room, which is the common heart of the house, has been extremely hot, and it's been really hard.
The airflow was never going to work in this properly. They had stuff like this down there where you can see there's gaps and stuff where air was just blowing out through their underneath their home.
Ace Home Services today coming to their rescue.
Take it out, let's put it in here right and get this home nice and comfortable for him so that when he is at home, he can enjoy it rather than feel like he's, just getting by. So
it brings us back to being closer, brings us back to the heart of the home, which is our kitchen and family room area, which right now is the hottest part of the area. I'll gain a few more pounds because my wife will cook more during the summer.
Making the Dunnigans' lives better and the veterans they serve.
Brenda Lipinski, 12 News.
Oh,